Good morning, students. Today we shall start a new chapter. Rikki Tikki Tavi goes exploring. Okay, it is a chapter of literature reader. This is a story about a mongoose, Rikki Tikki Tavi, that has come to live with Teddy, a small boy, and his parents. So, students, it is a story about an animal. We can say wild animal, mongoose. Okay? Rikki Tikki Tavi is the name of wild animal. Looked down between Teddy's collar and neck and sniffed at the boy's ear. Then he climbed down to the floor where he sat, rubbing his nose. Okay, so you can see this picture very attentively that where is mongoose sat. So mongo is sitting on the neck of near the on the shoulder of Teddy. Okay, and parents are looking strangely. Good gracious, said Teddy's mother. But a good gracious, when we use this word, it's a sudden expression. We can say expression of when we feel surprised to see one thing or strange thing. That child, a wild creature. Oh, Teddy's mother got surprised to see that creature. I suppose he's so tame because we have been kind to him. Okay? And Daddy was saying that we are feeling this is a tame animal. All mongoose are like that, said her husband. So lovingly, her husband said that all the mongoose are as same as they are. If Daddy doesn't pick him up by the tail or try to put him in a cage, he will run in and out of the house all day long. Let's give him something to eat. So it means that mongoose ran here and there for whole day. So we should offer it something for eating. They gave him a little piece of raw meat and Rikki Tikki Tavi really enjoyed it. So Rikki Tikki Tavi ate meat, piece of raw meat. Raw means the thing which is not cooked. Okay. When it was finished, he went out into the veranda and sat in the sunshine. He fluffed up his fur to make it dry to the roots. Then he felt better. So he fluffed up means his fluffy furry tail. So he fluffed up and to take dry, it sat in the sunshine. Okay, and then felt better. There are lots of things to explore in this house, he said to himself. I shall certainly stay and explore. So, lots of things he has seen, and then Teddy he said to himself, told himself that he should study. He should study something, okay, and stay there. He spent all day roaming about the house. He nearly drowned himself into the bathtubs. He put his nose into the ink bottle on the writing table. He climbed up into the big man's lap to see how writing was done, burnt his nose on the end of the big man's cigar. At nightfall, he ran into Teddy's nursery to watch how kerosene lamps were lit. So means we can say in this chapter the all the naughtiness done by mongoose. He spent all day moving freely and soaked himself into the bathtubs, and he put nose into the ink bottle where the on the it was located in the right on the writing table. He climbed up here and there and at nightfall also ran into Teddy's nursery to watch how kerosene lamps were lit. So when Teddy went to bed, Rikki Tikki Tavi climbed in too. Rikki Tikki Tavi also climbed the same what Teddy did. But he was a restless. Restless means unable to take rest. Companion. He got up to attend to every noise and find out what made it. Teddy's mother and father came in to look at their boy. Okay, Rikki Tikki Tavi was awake on the pillow, and Tikki Tavi was woke up. I don't like that, said Teddy's mother. He may bite the child. So, when Rikki Tikki's mother saw one day Teddy was sleeping, and what she discussed with with her husband, that he may bite the child. He might be. He could bite the child. So he will do no such thing, said the father. Teddy's suffer with that little beast. Beast means an animal. Okay? Then if he had a bloodhound to watch him. If a snake came into the nursery now, then what would be happened? Okay? Such a thing they discussed with each other. But Teddy's mother would not think of anything so evil. But Teddy's mother never thought that so. She just hoped that the mongoose would not bring any harm to Teddy, because mothers always aware of their children. So that's why she said, and she did not accept in this chapter about this wild animal. Okay, he might be harm to Teddy. So Teddy's mother was upset in this chapter. That's why he discussed everything, like his rude behavior you have seen, but his father's nature was quite different in this chapter. So today we have done Rikki Tikki Tavi Goes Exploring Literature chapter. Hope you understood everything. So read this chapter at least 3 times. Thank you. Good day.